Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Tony's Phone Collection. Today we're going to unbox the Samsung SCH-R200. This was $8 with shipping. And I did say on the other lot that I got with the 3 phones that had the 2 broken LCDs and the palm that was untested. I think I said it was like $8 for it and $8 in shipping. It was actually $2.80 and then $7 in shipping. Let's make sure there's no paper in here with my address. Let's see. I'll go ahead and hide my name and my address. There we go. Samsung SCH-R200 Alltel, $8 total. So there's that. I'm gonna show my address. I guess let's take a look at it. It's the eBay packaging. Here it is. Looks like the battery's pretty expanded too, but I probably have one. See, it should be turned on. Should. I think the battery's probably dead. Let's find a Samsung battery and we'll test it real quick. Oh, I really thought that was gonna fit. Let me see a phone that takes that tall battery like that. Let's see. Let me go and pause the video and find a battery real quick. Alrighty, we got the battery out of a Samsung My Shot, the red one. And that seems to be turning it on. I have to hold it too, it's not the right size. There you go. It looks like it's fully working. I bet if I charge that battery, it'd probably work, but you know, not locked. Like I said, this one was shown as a fully working one, so. Alrighty guys, I hope you enjoyed the video of the unboxing of the R200. See, the back cover is just a little bit bowed from that battery. The way I test batteries is do that. If they spin like that, they're probably no good. A good battery shouldn't really necessarily spin like that. I am on glass too, but it shouldn't necessarily spin like that. They should be, you know, flat. And if they spin like that, it's because they're bowed up in the center. So that's how I test my batteries for the most part. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video and stay tuned for the next one.